Coming to you live from Tulsa, Oklahoma at the 20th Annual Turkey Fry. We're going to be letting you know what everyone's favorite part of the turkey fry is and why they're so thankful this Thanksgiving. Stay tuned.
Okay, we're rolling?
We're rolling.
So, my favorite part of the turkey fry is the Wall of Shame.
Ooh.
Where I creatively instruct people how to not make mistakes next year when they bring their turkeys. The three things they make mistakes for are frozen birds, which is
dangerous,
the unpardonable sin. Stuff in the bird like organs or a neck or a red dot, or they're late. Now this year we've got a new one, which is a bird 2.2 pounds over maximum allowable, which makes the oil flow over the edge of the pot, hit the fire, and burn us to death. So, I don't know.
I see Paul Oil's good.
Yeah,
So
they put me, this is my son-in-law's handwriting, I'm pretty certain, and there will be something in my estate planning about this. So.
Thank you. From the main turkey fryer himself, turkey fryer of the day, Harry Crawford. How do you feel about this 20th annual turkey fry?
Only grace, though. 2018's been good to all of us. We're so blessed.
So I was supposed to go, but
Woo!
quarterback, and I went on. Like I went out to the North Beach Mountains, just in the middle of nowhere, and like I was staying in a hostel, did a home stay with some native people, and I was going to go to Holland Bay like 3 days later.
Beautiful bird, beautiful bird. Tell me a little bit about it.
This bird is a 12-pound bird, 40 minutes.
All right, looking good. All right, you love birds. Last turkey fry, you got engaged, now you're married. Tell us about this turkey fry.
Much less stressful for me, honestly. Not having to remember my lines, wondering if she was going to say yes. These were all things that were going through my
The part is seeing all these young people who are now a foot taller than I am, and when we started doing this turkey fry, they were toddlers. They were babies, toddlers, and look at this.
So wonderful. This is my favorite part of the turkey fry. And last one. Lisa, what is your favorite part of the annual turkey fry?
The sausage balls.
They're delicious. Well, I guess I have to eat too now. Yeah. Yummy. All right, Sean, tell us what your favorite part is.
My favorite part of the turkey fry is Sally, Kip in the olden days, seeing Paula and Joe, and Harry Crawford and family, Jan and family. That's my favorite part, is to see all the Crawford Bevs, etc.
Harry and Kim, what is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
Wow, my favorite part is getting to see my boy.
Aww.
He's been so far away.
What's it like being a turkey fryer, Harrison?
Oh, it's a great experience. It's great to be with the family.
Yeah, your family. Turn around.
You have to do the Jordan Girl
fry.
Okay, my favorite part is probably seeing all of my Tulsa friends, because I do not live here anymore.
Okay, my favorite part is when Sean always gets in trouble with the turkey because she leaves something in the gas.
I only did that once.
And she gets on the wall of shame. That is what's funny. Or the turkeys, the Oreo turkeys.
No, that's our favorite. Wait,
Yeah,
scratch. We love making a turkey in there.
With the icing,
Yes.
and then we get to eat them.
Yeah, so we eat half of one and then we make one. That's our favorite.
Thank you. This is your third year as a turkey fryer. What is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
I think it's the people. I really think the camaraderie, the love I see from everyone here just really takes me to places I don't think I've ever been before, and I love the smell of these turkeys.
You're so good. Thank you. You've been a turkey fry for all 20 years?
No, not all 20 years. Probably the last 10.
Wow.
Yeah. The best part is just getting to see everybody on a wonderful holiday.
What is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
The fryers are my favorite because they lend their service, and we're so appreciative, very appreciative, and the people. It's all about the people, and the turkeys are just secondary.
I had no idea, dude. Really?
Favorite part of the turkey fry?
It's the eating.
Okay. My favorite part of the annual turkey fry is seeing lots of people. You never know who you're going to see because the time you have is different. That's a plus. And it's always good to see the guys out there frying turkeys. That's so selfless to me. I like seeing that. And that's a good example. and it's so well done. The turkey really is really good.
It's really good. We're asking everybody, what is the, whoa, I dropped my phone. What is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
If you will, just come with me for a second.
Okay, here we go.
Paul and Ann, if you're out there.
Bill, you good?
Yeah, we got it, but don't worry. We got it.
You need anything?
We're fine. We're fine. We got it.
Man, it's a hectic life you've got.
Let me tell you. First of all, let me tell you, it's an honor and a pleasure being here on the 20th annual Turkey Fry. And I can't tell you what an awesome responsibility I've been given here. And this is totally a surprise to me. I was not expecting this. When I got on the plane yesterday morning, I had no idea I would have this responsibility that the lives of these people might. And if you just look at the planning that goes into this,
yeah,
and the coordination and everything, and thank goodness for Skippy here giving me a crash course on a little training. But hey, at Conklin, 23 minutes, 23.25 minutes. Okay? But anyway, if I can, let me get back to you on this a little bit later because I'm kind of busy here.
Yeah, you're busy. I got it.
And maybe I'll see you at the dinner tonight. Maybe I'll be cleaning up paperwork because you never know when the inspector's going to.
You're right. You're right. Mikey, so what is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
I just love the people and the turkeys. I love dropping them into the oil and counting down the time until they're just delicious. So, God bless America. Thank you.
What is your favorite part of the turkey fry?
Favorite part of the turkey fry is being with friends and family.
I come every year hoping someone gets caught on fire.
Who do we think wins the best turkey fryer for running years?
Well, it's close between the three of us.
Yeah. But Bruce had to go down a notch this year because he showed up with a bird.
No, my
way
wife.
overweight.
My wife. This is not. Doesn't affect me at all.
You're still throwing away from the bus, man.
Come on, we know you do the shopping.
She's on the board of shame. I'm not.
All right, the jury's still out to see who is the best turkey fryer of 2018.
Put mine as a standalone.
Evie, what is your favorite part or most special part about the turkey fry?
Well, I love coming home and getting a chance to see everyone.
I know.
Just getting to reconnect with everyone and having family come in from near and far. And I know it's Mike's favorite day of the year because he talks about it all year long. So it's fun to see him out there frying turkeys. It's fun to see everyone kind of grow up and then bring Charlotte into the fold. And just getting it all together. Just having one big party every year. It's really fun.
Part of Thanksgiving.
Rainbow.
Her mama's going to be happy to share
Play.
count.
Flies.
That's right.
I think one of my favorite parts of Thanksgiving is that it gives us a reason to come back. As all of the grandkids have gotten older, we've kind of all gone our separate ways. And it gives me a reason to see this one.
Yes, it's very fun to fly out and see family we don't get to see all the time. It's a very special time, even though it's a very short holiday. It's a very meaningful one to us. And we're so thankful for all the work everyone puts into this weekend. And we love you all very much.
Yep. Thankful for family.
Thankful.
Love letter to our friends.